What's up, Discount Divas and Dudes? Back with another video. In today's video, y'all got some smoking hot Saturday scenarios that y'all might want to try. I did something at 2 deals at Dollar General and 1 deal at Family Dollar, and then I got some little clearance items for Family Dollar. So you might want to stay tuned and watch the video. But first, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss out, so you won't miss out. To all my new subscribers, hey, hello, how y'all doing? To all my returning subscribers, y'all already know the deal. So with that being said, let's get into these Saturday scenarios, starting off with the Dollar General. Okay, y'all, here is my first transaction. Look at all the goodies that I got, y'all. Okay, I know y'all know where I'm getting at. All of these items have some kind of promotion going on. Like the Fabuloso is spend 15, save 5. The Lysol, spend 15, save 5, but you do have to clip a coupon for that. Not for the Fabuloso though. And then for the Scott, it's spend 15, save $3. So that's where I was going with this. So let's get into this deal. Okay, y'all, on the Fabuloso, they will spend 5, spend 15, save 5. So 3 of the Fabulosos was $15. $5 is automatically coming off, making them 10. Then we have a $2 off coupon when you buy 2. So it made all 3 of these $8 or $2.66 each. Then moving on to the Lysol, you have to clip that save $5 coupon when you spend 15. 3 Lysols were $15. That 5 is coming off, making them 10. And then we have a dollar digital coupon as well. So all 3 of them is $9 or $3 each. Then on the Scott, they were 5 a piece, so that's $15. When that $3 comes off automatically, it's making them 12. And then we have a dollar digital for the toilet tissue, and we have a dollar digital for the towel paper. So that's 2 extra dollars that you are saving, making all 3 of these $10 are $3.33 each. So the total for all of my items after coupons and that 5 off of 25 coming off will make them $24.35, making each item $2.70, y'all. Yes, $2.70. And this is for the big Fabulosos, the 56 ounces. Then you got you some Lysol wipes and some toilet paper and paper towel. And you know you can do this scenario however you want it. You can get some Palmolive dish liquid with these Fabulosos. You can get some Clorox wipes instead of Lysol, or you can get Ziploc bags or Kleenex. And then with this, you can get all towel paper, all toilet paper, just whatever your household needs at the time. If you are not building a stockpile with this stuff, so just get whatever your household may need. And on my transaction, I got what my stockpile needs. So let's get into this second Dollar General transaction. Okay, y'all, here is my second transaction. And y'all, when I do my transactions, I be trying to go for the gusto. I don't like all those little items and, you know, the little small spaces and this little item here. I be trying to get items that are worth your while, something that's gonna last, whatever the case may be. So the Skintimate razors, they are $6. We have a $3 off, making it $3. Then behind it, you have two of the $9.95 gain items. The softener, $9.95, and the Gain Relax, $9.95. Well, this week they were 2 for $15. When you clip that coupon, making them $7.50 each. So I got two of those. Then I got one of the bigger gains. They are $15.95. We have a $3 digital attaching, making this $12.95. So after all the coupons came off of this and the 5 off of 25, the total was $25.95, making each item $6.48 each. And I'm okay with that, because I mean, where can you get a big thing of gain for $6, y'all? If that was the case, people would be running to the store to grab up these items. But yes, y'all, $6.48 each item. That is it from the Dollar General. Now let's tap into these deals that I did at the Family Dollar. Okay, y'all, here is the first transaction that I did at Family Dollar. Okay, y'all, we gonna start off with the Moonlight Breeze 14 count. They are $4.50. We have $1.50 off, making those just $3. Then, at some of the Family Dollars, these particular, like the limited edition, Febreze is on clearance, well, sale clearance, whatever. It's not $3.25, but this one was $3.25. This one wasn't. But anyway, we have a $3.30 out for 2 coupon. And the Apple one was $2.27, and I was thinking this one was on sale, but it wasn't. It was $3.25. So both of these totaled $5.52. That $3.30 came off, making both of them $2.22 or $1.11 each. I mean, it still wasn't bad, I guess. Then I got the Gain Fireworks, and it's the 5.5 ounce. They are $4.65. We have $1.50 attaching to that as well, making it $3.15. Then on these two Gain Happies, we have two $5 coupons attaching to these. So the way it looks on my receipt is that they took $5 off of each one of these. So the little Gain Happy was $10. $5 came off of that, making that $5. Then on the Big Happy, it was $16. $5 came off, making that $11. Then on the 46 ounce Gain Liquid, it was $5.50. We have $1 off, making it $4.50. So after coupons and the 5 off of 25 came off, and actually, y'all, I don't think the 5 off of 25 came off of this, since $5 came off of that, $5 came off of that. But the total was $30.37, making each item $4.33 each. And if y'all know Family Dollar, y'all know that they play petty with their 5 off of 25. So you gotta do gymnastics, a split, and a somersault to get $5 off at Family Dollar. They make it so confusing and difficult. But let me show y'all my receipt. Y'all know I keeps my receipts. Okay, so let's look at, we're gonna be looking at the Gain, the small Gain Happy. See, it's $10 and it says Smart Coupon 5. And then the Big Gain Happy, see, was 16, and $5 came off of that. So that's why I was telling y'all that the two $5 coupons did probably apply, but not that 5 off for 25. But that's okay, because I'd rather get 10 off than 5 off any day. So that's my first transaction. So let's get into this last transaction so we can end this video. Okay, y'all, here are my last little items I picked up from Family Dollar. We're going to start off with this Downy Fresh. It was reduced to $4.97, and it is 8.6 ounce. So be on the lookout for these because they are marked down or either on clearance. Then this time I picked up the right Febrezes, this peach one and this apple one. They are both $2.27, but looking at the coupon, this one was $2.27. They took off $2.27, making this one free, and this one was $2.27. They took off $1.03, making it $1.24. So both of these totaled basically $1.24, making each one 62 cents, and that was with that Febreze buy two save $3.30 coupon. Then in the store, y'all, they had Caress, and they had dollar coupons attached to these. They are on sale for $5, and when that dollar coupon comes off, it'll make it $4. I will insert a picture of what the Caress look like with the coupon, because you know they do not let y'all keep the coupons after they scan them. But yeah, the Caress has a coupon, and I meant to tell y'all too, they have the same Caress at Walmart, but their coupon on the ones at Walmart I think are $1.50 off, but the ones that I just seen in Family Dollar are saying $1 off. So I think the better deal might be Dollar General, because I think at Walmart, after the $1.50 comes off, it makes them like $4.47. So at the Family Dollar, with the $4 off, it'll make it 4, since they are on sale for 5. Because usually these Caresses are $6. So the total for these items was $10.21, making each item $2.55 each, y'all. So that is the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope y'all get out and grab some of these deals up. And you know, have a good rest of your weekend and week. And also, can y'all do me a favor? Go follow my Facebook group, Deals No Matter the Store. I'm trying to get a lot of people over there so we can constantly share deals instead of having to wait on a video to drop. You can always go there and refer to some deals. I see what other people is posting. I'm trying to get a little community over there. So go follow me over there on Facebook. And what else? Yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, because no telling what type of deal I will be dropping next. With that being said, I am out, y'all. Peace.